Ваня, давай проверь эту часть, это не работает хорошо.
Yes, Captain?
Colonel, sir, without your permission, I've ordered a dog for the guards at Security Gate 3 to search the trees in the surrounding area.
Good thinking. Well done, Captain. Well done.
Петр, куда ты подевался? Сейчас я приду с молотком. Мне нужно 4...
Что случилось, капитан?
Ничего, ничего.
Ваш пропуск. Пожалуйста, ваш пропуск. Покажите ваш пропуск.
Have a good flight, Colonel Vasco.
You didn't do anything.
Looks like the power transistor, Comrade Director Baronovich.
Scrap it. Another.
From the experimental technical stores, Comrade Director?
Yes, Grosh.
Эту часть надо закончить сегодня, пожалуйста.
Ну в чем дело? Ну что запуталось?
Comrade Colonel, I just come from security gate number 3. The guards there remember admitting a GRU officer almost 4 hours ago who matches one of the composite photographs. The guards have made a positive identification. They say he ordered a dog patrol for the forest bordering the fence. And later
Wait a minute. I have seen this man. And he confirmed those same orders to me. But where was it I saw him? Search the security building.
Just been searched, Colonel.
Search it again. Take these two with you. Search the hangars, search every closet, every stateroom in every building. He's here. I know it.
Good.
Colonel Vasco?
Yeah, what do you want?
It's an emergency condition. Security check. Your identification, Comrade Colonel.
I'm taking a shower now. I don't want to be disturbed.
Sorry, Comrade Colonel, but there's a saboteur on the loose. We're certain of it.
Is this your idea, soldier, or is it Colonel Kantowski's orders that I be disturbed?
Sorry, Comrade Colonel.
Dmitri, look at this.
Get Biliask on the phone.
Quickly.
The rearward defense pod. Is it completed, Maximilic?
I completed the work 2 hours ago. I was just stalling.
Good luck, my friend.
Эта часть надо закончить сегодня, пожалуйста.
Where are you off to?
Lavatory.
I want to know immediately.
Colonel, it's Moscow.
I will take it in there. Put out the dogs. They might be hiding in the hills.
Sir, control was put on standby. The first secretary's car will arrive in 12 minutes.
He wasn't to be here until 9.
They left Moscow early, sir. No explanation.
Yes.
Colonel, we've got him.
It's been identified.
Colonel, are you there?
Quickly, please, tell me.
He's a pilot. Michael Gant, an American.
American.
Yes. A member of their aggressor squadron. You know, the one they built to train their pilots in combat with Russian machines.
But go on.
Obviously, sir, he knows our planes, our aircraft, as well as anyone.
He would be a good choice for sabotage, analysis of information.
But perhaps he intends a close inspection of the MiG-31.
He cannot be here for that.
No, sir. Surely not. He couldn't hope to get away with it.
Thank you, Viti. Thank you. Well done. Arrest Baranovich and the others now. And no one is to be let near the aircraft. No one. You understand?
Back up immediately! Get away from the aircraft! Everyone!
I know now.
Ну, ребята, скорее, ну торопитесь.
Баранович, come forward.
Огонь! 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 Опять!
Скорее, скорее, мне нужна помощь, скорее!
Ребята, идем в эту сторону.
Без помощи, ребята.
Скорее! Скажите, больше помощь здесь. У нас изменников здесь.
Что? Что сейчас?
Да я не знаю, может быть, его убили. Помоги ему.
Скорее, скорее! Что там происходит? Мне нужна помощь!
Colonel Vasco, I must have your identification. Colonel Vasco, I must have...
Michael Gant.
Doors! Close the door!